did all the floors throughout the house. In the kitchen, we did the kitchen floors, we did the bathrooms, bedrooms. We completed renovation of the master shower. We did landscaping in the front yard, and we completed this outdoor area with a built-in kitchen so we could enjoy the Florida weather this time of year. We found RenoFi because we are expecting a child and we wanted to make some improvements to the home. We went through our original lender and had the house appraised, and it came back a lot lower than we were expecting it to. So I looked into alternative ways to obtain a home improvement loan, and we found RenoFi. And it's been great from the start to the finish. Everything's done now and we're very happy with it.